Hi, my name is Ruben Jones, and welcome to my function generator / oscilloscope Labview project. Let's see, so it's running right now, running a DC signal. Let's roll through the different signal types that I have here. There's a sine wave, square wave, triangle, and a sawtooth, and then we saw the DC already. Let's see, let's go to square so I can demonstrate. So let me lower the frequency here. So I've got this frequency, I've got two frequency knobs, one's sort of a fine tune and the other one's a multiplier, so it multiplies this value times this one. And so there's my square wave. I've got an amplitude knob here. I can adjust that up to 15 volts if I'd like. Let's keep it down here around 5 or so. I've got an offset knob here. I can go to -10, back up to 10. Let's find the middle there again. I've got a duty cycle for the square wave that just changes the percentage of the peaks there. And let's see, let me add some noise. There's the noise button, and this is uniform noise. Let's see my noise amplitude knob here. Noise gets a little out of control, and here I've got Gaussian noise. Alright, so let's shut the noise down for a second and go over here. And so I can better demonstrate that after I trigger this signal. Let me switch to a sine wave on there. Okay, so I can demonstrate my cursors here. So I've got a cursor here and a cursor here. I can adjust, and they read out the coordinates here. Also, I've got these volts per division, so I can zoom way in there, and same here with the, you can see by changing the frequency that I can do that. Squeeze it way down and get real close to this guy. So that's kind of the oscilloscope. If I'd like to, I can write this to a file on my desktop by hitting this. So right now it's recording data. And then, let's see, this last thing here, oh, here's the FFT. This graph here is just displaying the that signal, amplitude versus frequency. So you can manipulate that. You can see how that works over there. And let's see, that's about it. Besides, I've got all these readouts that show me my Vmax, Vmin, my peak-to-peak, amplitude, frequency, and my mean. And let's see, I think that covers it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.